Welcome to our adventure in the amazing landscapes of Big Bend, Texas. Join us as we dive into the beauty of nature and show you how we've transformed our 4Runner into the ultimate camping companion. Let's embark on this journey together. Our camping system is a game changer. Imagine having everything you need for a cozy outdoor meal right at your fingertips. We've designed and produced the systems for various vehicles in Houston, Texas. And now we are putting it to the test with our own 4Runner. We have a pull-out platform on one side, tables with a sink and faucet on the other. All is customizable to fit your needs. Now let's whip up tasty burgers. Due to the windy conditions, we are cooking inside with precautions, like a fire extinguisher handy. Safety is a paramount on every trip, so we've got essentials like a starter, an inverter, and a first aid kit packed too. It's easy to sleep too. We removed rear seats to have more space for arranging our stuff, but it's not necessary. The sleeping platforms can be installed with seats too. You can keep the rear seats if you need them. You can sleep also outside in the tent or roof tent and buy just a drawer system. Our choice is a sleeping platform because it's easy to install and we are feeling securely inside the car. It's also a good value for money, since the difference between storage system and full camping kit is small, so you are getting a sleeping place actually as a bonus. Underneath the storage system, we have plenty of space for additional storage. Explore the scenic trail. You'll find breathtaking views around every corner. You start from an empty desert, then enjoy vibrant cacti, see mountains, rivers, and green trees. Some trees even grow with cacti together. A couple of moments later, you are back in the desert. That's breathtaking. When it comes to breakfast, it's easier once again. The storage is already capable, but it could be even more efficient with 4 drawers. We'll definitely install 2 more on the next trip. We are also soon providing the ability to choose the number of drawers, their height and configuration. You can opt for a 50-50, 40-60 or 60-40 ratio. You can start with just 1 drawer and add more later if needed. It will offer the ultimate customization. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any updates. Camping shouldn't mean giving up a cozy breakfast. If you need a link to the heart-shaped pan, please let me know in the comments and I'll find it in my Amazon orders and share it with you. If you are more keen on overlanding than hiking, that's our top of the easiest and most magnificent trails. We are showing them on the screen. If you have an off-roading vehicle, we highly recommend you to visit Black Gap Road. It's a little far from popular ways, but it's definitely worth it. Our camping system isn't just for big meals. It's perfect for quick bites on the go. Don't miss the night sky. Big Bend is one of the best places for stargazing in the United States. And for a bonus adventure, head to Rio Grande. It's a natural border and offers stunning views. Paquiles Canyon is another hidden gem nearby, perfect for hikers and photographers alike. Don't forget to soak in the relaxing hot springs before you go. Don't forget to subscribe, put the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. If you are curious about any project mentioned, drop a comment. We are here to help.